Good morning, students. Welcome to Treehouse High School, Kalyan. We are going to learn about Chapter 4 Word Processor Mail Merge. So, the further topics are Mail Merge feature on Word 2016, creating a mail merge document, creating a recipient list, inserting merge fields, viewing the merge data, and printing the letters. So, let's have a video now.
Hello students. Today we will learn about Mail Merge, a very useful feature of word processor. In business as well as in official matters, it is often needed to send letters with similar information to different people.
The letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So, changing the address each time would be a very long process and a big wastage of time and effort.
Mail Merge feature of Word 2016 is used to combine a data source which contains all the addresses with the main document.
It saves our time and energy to send letters at multiple addresses. Data source. Data source consists of mailing list, for example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. The data is organized in tabular form along with the field names. The data source is associated with the main document, so its field names can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge addresses along with the main document.
Students, let us know more.
Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. Example, name, address, city, etc. Record is a row on a data sheet. Numbers of fields make one record. Main document contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Merge field is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc.
which instructs Word 2016 about where to insert the data source, names, addresses, information in the main document.
Mail merge involves three basic steps: creating a main document, specifying a data source, merging the data source with the main document.
Students, let us know more. The data source can be created in Word 2016 database file or it can be created in another application like Excel 2016 or Access 2016. Let me first tell you how to create a mail merge document.
To create a main document, follow these steps.
Create a new document and type a letter, or open an existing letter in Microsoft Word that you want to send to different people at their addresses. Click on the Mailings tab. In the Start Mail Merge group, click on the Start Mail Merge drop-down menu and select the Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard option. The Mail Merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window. Now select the letters radio button under Select Document Type section. Click the Next Starting Document Wizard step under Step 1 of 6 section at the bottom of the task pane. Choose the type of setup for your letters. Click the Use the Current Document radio button under Select Starting Document section. Click the Next Select Recipients under Step 2 of 6 section.
Now let me tell you how to create recipient list.
To create a new mailing list, select the Type a New List radio button under Select Recipient section in the Mail Merge task pane. Click on the Create option. The New Address List dialog box appears on the screen as shown in the figure.
Click on Customize Columns button to add or remove fields.
Enter data in the respective fields and click on the New Entry button located at bottom left of the dialog box. Enter 3 records of your friends and relatives. Click OK.
You will get a Save Address List dialog box. Specify a name in file name, text box and click on Save button.
The Mail Merge Recipients dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. This dialog box displays the details of all the records added by you. To change any detail, you can select the data source and click on the Edit button located under the Data Source box. When you are through, click on OK. Note that by default tick marks are placed on the checkboxes next to the data source field. It gives an indication that the records are selected. If you do not want to send the letter to a particular address, just click on that specific checkbox to deselect it. Click OK. Now click on the Next. Write your letter wizard step under Step 3 of 6 section in the Mail Merge task pane. Students, let us know more.
Press Tab key to move between fields while typing the information. OK. We will now find out how to insert merge fields.
Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the record fields. On the Mailings tab, click on the Insert Merge Field button in the right and Insert Fields group.
The Insert Merge Field dialog box will appear with a list of field names you have created.
Click on the field name that you intend to add and then click on the Insert button. Similarly, insert other fields into the document. Click on the Close button. You will notice the selected field names will appear in your document one after another, horizontally. Separate the field's name by pressing the Enter key.
Let's now learn how to view the merged data. You can check whether MS Word has picked up the data source according to the merged fields or not by viewing it on the screen. Click on Preview Results button in the Preview Results group on Mailings tab or click on Next Preview Your Letters Wizard Setup under Step 4 to 6 section. The first record will be displayed. Click on Next Record button in the Preview Results group to view the next record of the data source. Alright, let me now tell you how to print your letters. You can take the printouts of your letter with the merged data of your data source. In order to print the letters, follow the given steps. Click on Finish and Merge button in the Finish group on Mailings tab and select Print Documents option from the drop-down menu.
Click on the Next Complete Merge Wizard step under Step 5 of 6 section in the task pane and then click on the Print option under Merge section.
The Merge to Printer dialog box will appear. Define the desired print settings and click on OK. The selected records will be printed separately along with the letter.
Word 2013. Word 2013 provides similar options to create a mail merge document by selecting the Start Mail Merge option from the Mailings tab. Students, let's go through the recap of this chapter. Mail merge feature is used to send letters with a similar information to a number of people at different addresses.
Mail merge feature combines two documents. One is main document and the other is data source.
Main document contains the text you wish to send to all the recipients. Merge field is a data item which instructs Word 2016 about where to insert the data source information in the main document. Data source consists of mailing list. For example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc.